The RHS Chelsea Flower Show is the most prestigious gardening show in the world. As the highlight of the horticultural calendar, RHS Chelsea, held in London, is the place to see cutting-edge garden design, breathtaking floral displays, and innovative garden products, with some 168,000 visitors attending the show each year. Garden designer and king of Chelsea, Mark Gregory, likens Chelsea to haute couture, while RHS ambassador and garden designer Jamie Butterworth describes it as the World Cup of gardening, and the king of giant vegetables, Medwyn Williams MBE, calls Chelsea the horticultural Olympic Games. The RHS Chelsea Flower Show 2024, sponsored by the Newt in Somerset, returns from the 21st to the 25th of May. Visit rhs.org.uk for ticket availability or sign up to become a RHS member for reduced rate tickets to RHS flower shows. Organized by the Royal Horticultural Society, the show has been held in the grounds of the Royal Hospital Chelsea in southwest London every year since 1913, apart from gaps during the two world wars. But what else is there to know?